এখন আছি রাতালগুল ফরেস্টের ভিতরে। আমরা আসলে আরো ভিতরে ঢুকবো। এখানকার পানিটা আসলে অনেক সুন্দর, গাছের নিচ পর্যন্ত দেখা যাচ্ছে। উঠতেছি 6 তলা সমান একটা টাওয়ারে। ওখানে থেকে পুরা ফরেস্টটা স্পষ্ট দেখা যায়। আমরা ছিলাম আসলে ওই নিচে, ওখান থেকে আস্তে আস্তে 6 তলা প্রায় উঠলাম।
Hello, hi, this is Alom. Now we are in the Ratargul deep forest, the middle of the forest here. This is, now I am on a tree and its name is Khochongas. Khonusgas. It's here the rural name. That is rural name here, Khonusgas. There is Khonus tree. And you can see that there are many deep, very deep here. And exactly now I have sitting here on the branch of a tree, and you can see that the deep forest, there is great shadow here, great shadow, and water. Water is really very clean, and you can collect here many fishes, and the scenery is really charming, really amazing. I'm really amazed, awesome. Exactly, if you don't come here, you can't understand what is the feelings. Exactly, we are really puzzled to see the natural scenery of Ratargul, and it is situated in Sylhet, and we are really happy to be here. Exactly, we are lucky that we are Bangladeshi, and Bangladesh is a natural country. The scenic beauty of Bangladesh is really famous all over the world. It is not popular in our home. It is also popular all over the world, and every year many tourists from home and abroad come here to visit. And exactly, although there is no people here, but it is safe. I can assure you it is very safe, and you will enjoy, you can enjoy very much. Exactly, everything is natural. There is no artificial here, and totally God gifted. Totally God gifted, dear viewers. You can see tall trees here, and the trees are really very healthy. These trees are really charming. I'm really amazing. Thank you Allah to give us such kinds of natural beauty here, and I want to give a message to the tourists in our country and in the world. You should come here and visit here and enjoy the natural scenery of
ভিউয়ার্স, এখন আমি নৌকার উপর শুয়ে আছি। আসলে এখানে শোয়ার পরে আমি যে ভিউটা দেখতে পাচ্ছি সেটা আসলে অনেক সুন্দর দেখাচ্ছে। আপনাদেরকে আমি ভিউ এর কিছু একটা অংশ দেখাচ্ছি।